Hey, this is Barry. I just wanted to post this short video in response to a question from Sacramento Man. And first I will show you the how to wire the batteries, just in case you needed to see this too. Okay. Now, you have two red wires here on the most positive. This is just my solar most positive wire. And both of these red leads from the most positive go down to the shifter here. And one goes to the lug on the bottom right, and one goes to the lug on the bottom left. If you can see that. And then the most negative wire, this is just my most negative solar connection, but this wire goes to the charger plug-in port, and this larger black most negative wire goes around here, goes to the back there, and it connects on to the motor here. Okay, now these other larger leads, let's see, this lead here, which is also red, hopefully you can see that, it goes down here and comes out here and goes to the motor lead down here. Okay, hopefully that was clear enough to see. Then this this black wire here on this part of the shifter goes down to here. Hopefully you can see that. And it goes up here and connects on to the motor here. And this connector here on the shifter is a white wire. It goes down to here, and it goes on to the solenoid here. I hope you can see that. Okay. And just let's see here. There's another white wire here on the other end of the solenoids. It goes around here and it connects on to the motor here. So hopefully you can follow me there, and hopefully this will give you what you need as far as the wiring, how to put the wiring back on. If you have any other questions, I'll try to check back on your comment. I guess that pretty much answers your question. But I sure appreciate you being a viewer. I just wanted to respond to a question in the comments from Sacramento Man. Thank you for watching.